Karibu sana.
Asante.
Hii ndio East Africa University.
Huyu ni ndugu yake. Na mama yake pia ako hapa. Na huyu ndiye mama yake.
Mami karibu sana kwa university.
Na huyu sasa ndio baba mpya wa Kaluma.
Ndio baba yake sasa.
Watatu sasa, wanne sasa.
Pale hata tutamtrain mambo ya drone. Tuna train pale.
Pale.
Pale tutaenda uone.
Thank you. We are so happy.
It used to be Saleka Academy.
Okay.
Ilikuwa shule ya Sokoto kitambo.
Yes.
It was an international school. And then now it was converted into a university. 2008. It's owned by people, a network of people from Uganda.
Okay.
Yes, professors from Uganda. I'm the first vice chancellor who is Kenyan.
Of the school?
Who is Kenyan?
Who is Kenyan?
Yes. Some of his last assignment.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. So this means that we have a full authority to offer any academic program, to collaborate. Yes. Yes.
Njethagwo Bishop Ben wa kanitha wa JCM. Na muthenya wa umuthi ndi mukenu muno ni tondu wa maundu maria Ngai areka makiria kuri family ya ithe na nyina wa Karuma, na muno ni tondu wa our internet family, TikTokers, Gen Zs aria matumire tukamenya case ya ithe wa Karuma, tondu story ya ithe wa Karuma no horo wa murimu wake niguo watumire Karuma akonekana. Na muthenya wa umuthi ni kuri hindi ndoigite ati Bishop Ben akoragwo hana njogu haria ndahitukira ni ndekagia manene na ngiuga ni ndambiriria undu ni nyenda kwambiriria undu ndiramenya ni ngurikia na ndiurumirire na ningwenda gucokeria Wanja ngatho muno tondu riria wajonire Karuma kanitha-ini niwe wateng'erire na giuka kiaraniria na thukuru uyu wa East African University na vice chancellor akiuga ni agutwera Karuma na muthenya wa umuthi Karuma ni aheo scholarship, full scholarship, na ni ariheagwo mbeca o mweri na arikara guku thukuru na ni aguthoma courses nyingi na guku wega wa East African University mena nginya maundu mangi matari kiria batie guthomera no ni skills cia kumuteithagia muturire-ini wake na ni tuorora thukuru uyu is a very good school na ni tuona tuma library yao ni twathi tuona kuria mari maga mugunda ni twathi tuona maundu maingi maria mareka guku and it is a very huge university na ni chartered university uguo aciari aria muratwirorera no nyende mucere thukuru uyu nigetha muone maundu maingi ona ni ndona itari hihi ndeciria no ndimona university iria ingida na gicera to ni githomithagia ciana ingi cia kanitha na muthenya wa umuthi tuge ni twakena muno vice chancellor ni gutwera Karuma egukorwo guku agithoma miaka iyo na ni tugoka guku graduation sasa sijui mtatuweka wapi kwa sababu TikTokers Gen Z wote watajaa hapa siku ya graduation na najua wengine hata wakipita hapa watakuwa nakuja kuangalia vile Karuma boy anaendelea and also we will be close ndio tuwe tunakuja kumwangalia as a church, as a family kwa sababu sasa hawa sio marafiki tena, wamekuwa familia zetu, wanaishi mahali tuko sasa, wanalima mahali tunalima, kwa hivyo wametukaribia sana na unaona bado baba yao kwa mikononi mwetu mpaka wakati atakuwa mzuri hata yetu tutamleta hapa akitoka hospitali aje aone mahali kijana wake anasomea. Kwa hivyo ni ndi mukenu muno and I'm so delighted na ni wega andu mamwika wega onaone manyitirirwo ciana iria rarikia mathukuru aciari mutikareke cikare mucii ukaguku na woka guku uge werwo uke guku ni Bishop Ben umenye ura mwana waku ari thomaga na guku ni kwega ona mari hindo na ni mega murehe ciana cianyu guku ithome ni tondu thukuru uyu to guthomithia ona ngoro ya umundu iho. So as JCM Church we will partner with East African University na ni turiraga andu horo wao mwega tondu nao ni matwika wega na mundu ongi gutwikira mwega onawe mutwikire mwega. So thank you so much Karuma boy, we wish you all the best. Miaka weroka yaku ya guthoma na wauma miaka ya guthoma, I know the future is very bright. Ningi wagwa moko-ini ma Professor to mwalimu ni muciari na nuona he has a compassionate heart. Thank you so much. Asante sana.
Mkono ndogita.
Bishop Kagano na makiria kuga ni wega ndu wa muthenya wa muthi muthenya munene muthenya uria mwana wakwa aramukirwo thiini wa cukuru undu ita expectaga undu iteciritie no uganike Thank you very much Bishop nĩ ũndũ wa wĩrutĩri waku kamũcokeria ngatho hamwe na Mofam nĩ wĩra mũnene mũtũrutĩire gacokeria Professor ngatho ũrĩa wamũkĩra mwana wakwa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Ngai amũrathime athiĩ na mbere na kũmuongerera na mũgĩe na ngoro ĩyo na Ngai ndarĩ hĩndĩ atagũtũra mũrathime gacokeria ngatho na my husband ũrĩa gacokeria ngatho na ũndũ wa Karuma ũrĩa wamũrehire society ndiamenyaga na ndieciragia na agĩtuĩka wa gwĩtĩkĩrĩka hiyo si kawaida ni favor ya Ngai koguo njuge nĩ ngatho na kũrĩ Karuma na ndĩmwĩre athiĩ na mbere na gĩthomo athome wega nĩ tondũ gĩkĩ nĩkĩo kĩambĩrĩria gĩake kĩa mũtũrĩre.
Dr. Christopher Mutembei, the Vice Chancellor, East Africa University. We are so happy today to welcome Kaluma Boy. We were notified about Kaluma Boy by Bishop, and we are glad that finally he has been able to join the university. We have admitted him to undertake a diploma in business information technology. Initially he wanted to do digital marketing, but after giving him a career advice and discussing with him, he has decided that the diploma in information technology is what fits him best. We are extremely happy for this because this is not just him but also an opportunity for us to also help other youth, and through him, apart from giving him a full scholarship with a monthly stipend, we will also engage him in what we call work study. As you study, you also work a little bit, and what we will be focusing on is him telling people out there about the various programs that are available in the East Africa University. In the East Africa University, we have very many unique programs that are not available elsewhere, including partnership with the National Industrial Training Authority, that pathway for those people who have other qualifications that have been assessed by NITA and been given that certificate of prior learning. Apart from that, we are also happy that we have been offering master's program here in Kitengela, but now we are moving it to, from January we will start having a class in Nairobi through our partnership with the Albury Training Institute. That is another advancement that we have progressed as a university. So otherwise we are happy to have him, and you are welcome to this university. Apart from that, you have witnessed drone training. We will also sponsor you to be trained there. Okay. So there are so many opportunities of learning around here. In addition to that, we have almost an 80-acre farm available in this university that gives students an opportunity. Apart from now the competencies that they are pursuing, but they are also able to learn other things, to learn about agriculture, to practice agriculture, and I think he will also be part of it. I have seen him promoting agriculture through Mofam. I think he will also be here. We will use him also to educate other students about the importance of agriculture and how they can be part of agriculture. Thank you so much. Being grateful to JCM Church for helping us to get to know about this case and having given him this scholarship. It is courtesy of the bishop and the entire JCM family. We are so honored, and we look forward to partnering with them in many more projects, many more programs, which we will be announcing later jointly with the bishop. Thank you.